Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid for drawing. First, let's prepare our workspace. You will need a good quality ruler, an HB or 2B pencil for light lines, and your chosen drawing paper. Also, select a clear, high-resolution reference image. This method helps artists replicate images accurately by breaking them into smaller, manageable sections, making complex artwork much easier to approach. Next, we will grid your reference image. Use your ruler to draw a grid directly onto your chosen image. Make sure these lines are light enough to be erased later, but clear enough to guide your eye. If you are enlarging your artwork, ensure your grid is proportionate. For instance, if your reference squares are 1 by 1 inch, your drawing squares might be 2 by 2 inches. Now, let's transfer that grid to your drawing surface. Carefully mark equal intervals along all 4 edges of your paper. Then, connect these marks with straight lines using your ruler to create your drawing grid. It is crucial to use the same scale and a light pencil, like an HB or 2B, so these lines can be easily removed once your artwork is complete. Finally, it's time to draw using your grid. Concentrate on one square at a time, accurately transferring the details from your reference to your drawing surface. Continuously check the proportions and alignment of your lines across different squares. Once your drawing is complete and you are satisfied with the outlines, gently erase all the grid lines to reveal your finished artwork.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.